Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure prerequisites are in place. Apple TV on the same Wi-Fi as your iPhone, updated TV OS, and your Apple ID with two-factor authentication. Once ready, sign into iCloud on Apple TV via Settings right arrow Users and Accounts right arrow iCloud. This links it to Homekit. Make sure the account matches the Home App Owner account on your iPhone. After signing in, stay on the Apple TV settings page so you can confirm home options in the next step. Now enable and verify the Apple TV as your HomeKit hub. On Apple TV, go to Settings right arrow AirPlay and HomeKit and confirm Home appears and is signed in. You can assign a room there to organize automations. Once done, open the Home app on your iPhone, tap Home Settings right arrow hubs and bridges, and verify the Apple TV shows as connected. Make sure both devices are on the same network and that TV OS and the Home app are updated. This ensures reliable remote access and automation execution. Finish by testing control and automations. Use the Home app or ask Siri to toggle an accessory while off your local network to confirm remote access. If something fails, restart the Apple TV and your iPhone first, then recheck hubs and bridges. A key troubleshooting tip: if the Apple TV won't appear as a hub, sign out of iCloud on the Apple TV and sign back in, ensure the same Apple ID with 2FA, and install TV OS updates. That typically resolves hub registration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.